Oka Bioembalagens is a company that develops technology to produce biopackaging, which is biodegradable, made from manioc starch. We started this company in Botucatu, which is in the countryside of the São Paulo state. We use manioc starch, water, and a very simple technology to produce 100% sustainable biopackagings. This idea started in a research in the Unesp University, which is a state university of Botucatu. From this research, we developed this material, and out of this research, we started a company to produce the packagings and to develop this technology to several kinds of use and applications. Everything starts with the production of the starch, which we don't do the production of the starch, we buy the starch, and then we mix it with water. There is a process of heating and cooling. It becomes a gel, which we inject inside of a mold. The mold is very hot, so the material grows up and dries inside of the mold. And then in this process, we just have like vapor water as a waste, and we can reuse it in the same process again. So we don't have any kind of waste inside of the process. It's a full cycle process. This spoon, for example, is an eatable spoon. You can use it to degustate any kinds of food, for example, ice creams or yogurts, and you can eat the spoon. So it's a product which is eatable and biodegradable. This kind of technology allows us to use natural fibers, which are waste for most of agriculture production. For example, coconut fibers, sugarcane fibers, rice skin, even the cassava skin. We can use it as a way to use less starch. If you put it in like a organic compost, it lasts around 15 days. If it's grounded, even less than this. And you can also use as food for animals like chicken or worms or pigs. They love it. This kind of material can be used in many kinds of markets. We started using as bowls for food, for example, ice cream, yogurts, acai, but it also can be used as jewelry packaging or electronics. We also have the idea of replacing plastic tubs for trees, plantation. Nowadays we are working in a project with a city in the coast of São Paulo state to develop a partnership where we will teach them how to use the technology and provide them the supplies to produce locally the packagings for them to use with all of the people who sells ice creams or snacks on the beach. So they won't have, for example, plastic packaging on the beach. They will have like a more sustainable environment in general there. And I think this is a very good opportunity for us to develop a new kind of business model where we are not like selling packaging, but we are selling technology. And that's our goal. We have a very interesting technology that allows us to use another industries, for example, agriculture industries that have fibers as a waste. We can use this waste to produce packaging for them. So we can help them to have a full cycle closed loop. And also we can use our own waste of production. For example, the packagings that are not very good, we can ground them and reuse them to produce new packagings. Those are two kinds of things and opportunities that we have that are very different from most of the industries that we know. As we have a technology that didn't exist a few years ago, we do not fit in the legislations, for example, and for us to get a certification, it's very very big process, very hard process. Also, we have a very big challenge that it's to develop new machines. We don't have a machine, so we had to make a new way of thinking the machine, how to automatize the process, and wow, there's a lot of things we have as challenges. And the needs we have for the moment now is to find partnerships, especially in the industry business that has like a little bit more experience than us, because we know what we need. We just need people with a little bit more experience to help us and guide us in this way.